3/29, 2011, 11:23 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We are now covering some of the Standard & Poor index components, and we can see that we have a broad-based rally underway. And not only that, January, February, March of 2011, that's the first quarterly trade, is ending, and we're seeing money go to work. So what it does, MMTs, it provides a commitment from the bull to see broad-based rallying the S&P 100. S&P 500, this is the S&P 500, and we got nothing but green across the board. Let's scroll down, look at that. It's broad-based. You've got that big money on Wall Street pumping it in there. That means that the bull is still a bull. Doesn't matter about the torturous headlines around the world, nor does it matter about those high prices at the pump and the high energy and food prices. People still believe that the consumer is going to hold up, but more importantly is they're not really counting on the consumer. Corporate America is what they're counting on. But here is a darling right here. It's the S&P mid-cap. Very important, MMTs. Look at that broad-based buying. That means that there's money actually going to work. Isn't that nice? Look at here. It's across the board. It's in action here and now. Remember, that's a commitment by the bull. That's what we want to see when we're going to be coming back up to major market tops, when we have that big bear reversal that we called. It's on the home page of stockmarketpunting.com. Not only that, talks about it under the indexes. You can find it all right there. Right now, we've been in this bull rally, and when you're setting up a new base to try to get back to those old highs where that bear reversal was back around 218, 219, start setting up around 216 somewhere in there, 2011. What you want to do now, MMTs, is see this broad base. That way you know that the bull is committed. I mean, I'm scrolling down the list there. Hey, not only that, it's all very broad-based buying. That's what you want to see. Now, otherwise you're never going to get up above them old highs. Oh, small cap, S&P, small cap 600. How about that, MMTs? What a nice sight. You can see broad-based buying right then. Okay, and this is what counts. This is what counts, because the bull has to show up, and it's broad base. The weighted indexes, market capitalization, and everything thereafter is being bought or purchased across the board, and those are the Standard & Poor's index components, S&P 100, 500. Once again, let us not forget about that darling S&P mid cap and the small cap. We always want to watch for the small cap broad-based buying, MMTs, on a daily level, because there's lots of money that can be made intraday on these names, and we have some of the seniors that know how to trade these. Okay, broad-based rally.